Hello children. Now today we will see phonics. In phonics we have seen A vowel sound, E vowel sound. Now we will see the remaining three sounds. So which are they children? A, say A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now we will see A and E we have done. Now we will see the next letter I. The next letter I. I says E. I says E. There is a song on it. I. Which is it? I says E. E ink. E inky. E ink. E igloo. Right? So the same sound. See. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the ink is spread all, just listen carefully children. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Inky the mouse is my friend. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. So E is there, right? The same sound of the letter I. I says E. E, N, D, E, and Indian. See children once again. E, N, Indian, Indian. Now here are few words which you will help me to pronounce each and every word. Okay. It's all 3-letter words. Though it's at times it's 4-letter, but it's a 3-letter word which I have explained you yesterday itself. If it's a long sound like double S, double L, so LL, SS, these are all long sound. Even the K sound, CK. Though it's CK, we will write cock. So CO is there, we will write COCK. But we will not take 4-letter, we will take only 3-letter depending on what we are doing. If we are doing the 3-letter words of phonetics, we will write cock for blend. Okay, now we'll go line by line for the E sound. See, dig, digging, dig, dig, the eg, dig. So E, right? Again, fig, 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 fig. Long vowel sound. No, long consonant sound here children. So even this LL, ZZ, SS, all these are having long sound. Okay. So just remember LL, E is a long vowel sound. LL, SS and ZZ. These are all long sound. Now see children here. Hill. Okay. Hill. 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 Similarly, which picture is it children? It's a zip. Z-I-P. Zip. This is medicines. Yes, it's a capsule. Right? It's a, what is this? It's a tablet, capsules. Right? So, what we call it? Pill. Pill. Here children, which picture is it? You can just see over here. It's a lid. Yes, it's a lid. It's a lid. So, L-E-D. L-E-D. Lid. L-E-D. Lid. This is dim. The light is dim. So, what will say? Dim. D-E-M. Dim. Similarly, which alphabet is it? P, the sound. P, in. P, E, N. Pin. H, similarly, the same kind. H, E, M. H, E, M. Him. M, X, mix. M, X, mix. See here, the X letter is there. So, we have done the prefix. X for the X. Prefix is there. Similarly, the next word is bib. E. What we are doing? We are understanding, reading the E sound. E sound means, who says E? The letter I. So bib, ib, bib, bit, all the bit, all this says E sound like dig, fig, hill, zip, pin, pip, lid, him, dim, mix, bib, bit. So all this says the letter I which has E sound. Thank you children. Thank you for giving your precious time and watching the video. Please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed.